If you apply for the GCUB MOB 2026/2027, congratulations. The first phase of the application, the result has been released, and we're going to be looking at everything that transpired, everything that happened in the first phase. You will recall that when the application came out, it also came out with what we call chronogram, or chronogram in Brazil. It is like a timetable that shows to all applicants of each of the stages that the process is going to take. So after the deadline, there is going to be what we know as analysis of document consistency. They want to know, they want to check if what they are looking for is what you provided. For example, they ask you for your international passport, they ask you for your first degree certificate, or they ask you for your master's and you provided, then be rest assured that your name is on this list. Now, there are some people that their names are not on this list, and from a reliable source, I've got to know some of the reasons why these names are not on this list. I'm going to be sharing all of these things with you in this video. Just come to this website and you can read the GCUB International Mobility Program result for the first phase, which is document consistency analysis, is out. You can read all the story right here, but the most important thing that you need to do here is to download the spreadsheet, the Excel spreadsheet right here. So here is the download. If your name is on the list right now, I want to congratulate you because you've been able to scale through the first phase. And let me tell you one thing that you should know. GCUB received more than 50,000 applicants, and guess what? It is like the number has been slashed into 2. Now let's look into that. There are so many things that are very, very interesting, and I'm going to be analyzing this data, the names, so we can visualize it better. We're going to be looking at the names, the country that has the highest number of applicants. We're going to be looking at the total number of countries, and we're also going to be looking at the total number of candidates that scale to this stage. Stay with me. As we can see on my screen, we have 15 different countries. Okay, we have Nigeria, Pakistan, Mozambique, Afghanistan, Angola, Palestine, Haiti, Cameroon, Peru, Colombia, Ethiopia, Guinea-Bissau, Burundi, Benin, Bangladesh. And it is interesting to see that the total number of applicants from Nigeria is around 6,122, making them to be topping the list of the people that apply to this 2026/2027 GCUB, and it is followed rightly by Pakistan. A lot of people, almost 4,000 applicants was received from Pakistan. We have 3,931, followed by Mozambique. And it is interesting to see that even the countries that speak Portuguese are not even topping the chart. They are not topping the table. But it's interesting. We have to give kudos to as many of you that made videos to sensitize people about this fantastic opportunity. Follow next is Afghanistan, that is having 2,190. Then we have Angola, we have Palestine, we have Haiti, and the one that has the lowest applicant is Bangladesh, and Bangladesh is having 270. Now we're not going to be stopping here. I have to analyze this. We still have to analyze this information better. You can see that this is the total number of applicants. We have 26,906, and don't forget I said the total number of applicants GCUB received this year was more than 50,000, right? Judging from reliable source and judging from the application number that we saw. More than 127 countries were represented. We have candidates that are male is 18,259, and candidates that are female are 8,647. We have, so this is the percentage. The percentage of men is 67%, and the percentage of women is 32%. So this number of this is just the top countries. We still have some other countries, here and there, like some other countries like Ghana. You can't see Ghana here, but that doesn't mean that we don't have applicants from Ghana. We're just talking about top 15 countries that applied, where applicants submitted their application from, something like that. So now this is fantastic. Again, I'm wishing all of you whose name has gotten to this stage, your name is on the list, congratulations. You have to keep praying, keep trusting God that your name is going to get to the last stage of the application. Now, don't forget that GCUB said that they need less than 1,000 applicants, and right here we are seeing 26,906. So definitely I don't know what is going to happen. Maybe Brazil is going to increase the total number of applicants they are going to be receiving. This is the list of countries where we have the highest applicants. So guys, again, if you apply for this opportunity and your name is on the list, congratulations. And if you apply and your name is not on the list, now according to what I promised from the beginning, one of the reasons why your name is not on this list is because of inconsistency. A lot of people, I'm saying this and I can tell you for free that what I'm telling you is nothing but the truth. Some of you that, for example, those people that did HND, you do not have certificate for both. Let's say you have just for ND but you do not have for HND, or vice versa. It's likely that your name is not on this list. Two, if you had scanned your document and they are not correct, it's likely that your name is not on this list. If you apply and you're not seeing your name on this list, it could be as a result of discrepancy in your names. Okay, your documents might be correct, maybe you got married or you changed name, and all this kind of discrepancy, and there were no basic evidences, to back up your claim. It's most likely that you are not going to see your name on this list. Now, if your name is not on this list, all hope is not lost. Okay, so this is the right time for you to now pay more attention to other applications that are out. See, if you are really interested in coming to Brazil, there are so many opportunities that are coming out right now that we advise you to leverage on, apply to all those schools, and you may just be resuming the same time those people that are selected in GCUB will be resuming. Okay, so guys, this is the latest information about the GCUB application. So the stage we have at the moment is analysis of documents, consistency. Then the next stage, we have like 2 more phases or 3 to go. Then the next one is going to be eligibility, the merits. They are going to now be reviewing the proposal, the SA1, the SA2. They're going to be looking at your reasons. They're going to be looking at your certification, and they will look at it against the programs, and let you know if you are eligible. Then thereafter, there's going to be final classification, which is the 3rd phase. So the final classification is in case maybe you selected, while you were applying, you selected 4 schools, and let's say your application go through in, like, let's say 2 or 3 of those schools. So you don't expect that the 3 schools you want to bring out your names at the last stage. So GCUB itself, they are going to do the classification. Either you're going to go to the north, go to the east, or so. They're just going to do that themselves. So but we should be expecting the final results sometimes in November. If you have applied and your name is on this first list, again, congratulations. I'm praying that God will preserve you and you will see the last result. Not only seeing it, you will see it with joy. If you are seeing this channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe right now. I want you to like, because I'm going to be updating you as the application assessment progresses. Again, if you are looking for an opportunity that you can apply to, stay locked to this channel. Tomorrow I'm going to be posting another video, and there's so many opportunities in this video. Look out for it, and who knows, maybe that's the application that's going to be bringing you to Brazil. I will see you in the next one. Até breve. Ciao, ciao.